What is up, guys? Dragoon Phantom here with another unboxing, and today I got another eBay package. I'm not entirely sure if this is my metal assist or Beypointer, because both of those things were the only used items I bought. From how big it feels and how much it is, it feels like the Beypointer. So yeah, guys, you'll see in the title. So this is kind of like a surprise, because I don't know which. What is this? Oh wait, it's my Beypointer. Right here, it included batteries, and it also came with an extra face bolt. Right here. I don't know what this is, right? Like, did it come with my metal assist as well? That's gonna be cool if it did. Yup, it did, so that's pretty surprising. I guess it came from the same owner then. So I got my metal assist and Beypointer. So that was basically the little unboxing. So let's put my metal assist on here first. Fine, get it on. Oh, there we go. So there is my metal assist, and now my Beypointer goes on like that. Hold on, guys, something happened right here. I'll be back. Alright, guys, I'm back. Something was stuck on there at first, so it's also nice of them to send me an extra face vault, because I kind of need it for something that I'm going to do in the future. So yeah, guys, this is my launcher setup so far. Hope you guys enjoyed, and Dragoon out.